What's up, tech enthusiasts and gamers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a seriously sleek and powerful gaming machine, the Dell Alienware X14R2. This 14-inch laptop promises to deliver desktop-level gaming performance in a portable package. We'll be putting it through its paces, checking out its design, performance, and everything in between. So if you're looking for a portable gaming powerhouse, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the unboxing. The X14R2 comes in premium packaging as you'd expect from Alienware. Inside, you'll find the laptop itself, the power adapter, and some documentation. Now, let's talk about the design. The X14R2 is incredibly thin and light for a gaming laptop. It has a premium, minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and subtle Alienware branding. The build quality feels solid, with a combination of metal and other premium materials. It's definitely a head-turner. The bezels are remarkably thin, which adds to the immersive experience. The image quality is excellent, with vibrant colors and good contrast. Now, let's talk about the audio. The speakers are surprisingly good for a thin laptop, offering clear and balanced sound. The keyboard on the X14R2 is comfortable to type on, with decent key travel and tactile feedback. The backlighting is customizable, allowing you to personalize your setup. The touchpad is also smooth and responsive, with good tracking and multi-gesture support. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, performance. The X14R2 is powered by an Intel Core i7-13620H processor, 16GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 6GB graphics card. This configuration is more than capable of handling most modern games. Alienware includes its Command Center software, which allows you to monitor system performance, customize lighting effects, and manage fan speeds. It's a useful tool for optimizing your gaming experience. Overall, the Dell Alienware X14R2 is a fantastic portable gaming laptop. It offers a great combination of performance, design, and features. If you're looking for a powerful machine that you can take on the go, the X14R2 is definitely worth considering. However, the limited storage in the base model might be a concern for some. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.